This is a video demonstration on Green Book's song on page 2 called Haydn'S Theme from the London Symphony. So we are on the scale of D major, which has the key signature F sharp and C sharp. You see F sharp and C sharp. Your homework is to please mark your half steps in this entire 4 lines. And I will go ahead and demonstrate playing this piece very slowly. Okay, I check my advanced bow hold with the thumb curved. Violin up. Your left hand thumb is pointing toward the ceiling more or less. And my violin is straight and the left arm is away from your body. Not like this, but just like this. Here we go. I will give you 4 beats. I'm going to have the frog part rest on D string, and we start with F sharp, second finger. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and first finger and 2 and 3 and get your third finger ready. Second finger, 2 and 3 and 4 and third finger on D string, second finger on D string. On A string, third finger on A string, and half steps, second, one, 2, 3. Nice. Make sure that you are giving 2 whole beats on all the half notes and only 1 beat on the quarter notes, and last but not least, the last note is whole note, so you are gonna be holding the bow until 4 beats. I will review any questions regarding fingerings in class, but all of your fingerings I'm pretty sure you know because everyone in class played the D major scale so beautifully. And so happy practicing, and we will continue next week. Thank you.